Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if a cell contains text and use that to categorize outcomes as good or bad. Step 1. Using the ISTEXT function. In our outcome column, we want to label a transaction as bad if the transaction details column contains text, and good if it contains a number. The key function here is isText. This function checks if a cell contains text. Equals is text open parenthesis. B2 close parenthesis. If B2 contains text, returns true. If B2 contains a number, returns false. Step 2. Wrap isText in an if statement. To convert true, false into good or bad, we use an if statement. Equals if open parenthesis is text open parenthesis. B2 close parenthesis. Close parenthesis, comma, bad outcome, comma, good outcome. If B2 is text, bad outcome. If B2 is numeric, good outcome. Copy this formula down the column, and Excel will automatically classify all transactions. Step 3. Highlight text values with conditional formatting. You can also color cells that contain text using the same isText logic. Select the Transaction Details column. Control plus Shift plus down arrow. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula. Equals ISTEXT, open parenthesis. B2, close parenthesis. Click Format. Choose a background color, for example, orange, and click OK. Now all cells containing text are highlighted, making it easy to spot bad outcomes. That's it. The ISTEXT function is a simple way to check text values and combine it with if statements or conditional formatting for powerful results. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video with more Excel tips and tricks.